Digging in volleyball is a defensive skill used for providing the ball from the touching the floor after an opponent attack or spike the ball and player use their performs or sometimes their hands to receive hands hit ball and keep in play. Digging required quick reaction, proper body position, balance, and good communication with teammate. It is one of the most important decisive technique in volleyball because it help the team continue the rally and create an opportunity the attack. To perform digging properly in volleyball, the player must first stay in the ready position by bending the kidneys slightly and keeping the feet shoulder width apart. The body should remain low in balance to react quality when the opponents attack the player must keep their eyes focused on the ball and watch the hit carefully to predict when the ball will come when the player aiming the digging should lead toward indirectly where staying low after reaching in for the player promise.